know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust in.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a makeover on my fireplace, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is a long time coming, right? So I have made up in my mind that I am going to paint the fireplace, but I've decided not to paint the entire fireplace black. I just decided that I'm going to do like a wallpaper, stone wallpaper, faux stone, and then paint the mantle and the molding black. So I am so excited for you guys to see what it looks like because it looks absolutely amazing. So I want y'all to throw me up on your television or sit back and relax with a cup of hot tea, and let's get this fireplace started. And if you are new here, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shushana, and on here I do lots of home decors, lifestyle videos, and cleaning motivational videos. So if that's something that you are interested in, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell twice so that you don't miss any of my notifications. Introduce yourself to me in the comment section and let me know where you are watching from. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. Let's get started.
It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come back to me.
So I am all done with wallpapering the fireplace, and it looks so beautiful. I feel like it looks like the real stone finish. I just love the way that it looks, you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm sorry for the light, it keeps going in and out, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna paint. I originally wanted to try to get the wallpaper on like this side as well, because I think that it probably would look a lot better with it going down. I'm gonna try it and see if I can get it on this side. It's kind of hard with all the angles right here, but I'm gonna try it and see if that works. And if it does, then all I'm gonna do is just paint like the molding part and the top part of the mantle. Paint it what color? Black. I finally broke down, you guys, and I decided that I was gonna paint it black. I know that I couldn't commit fully to the whole wall and mantle being black, but I saw some inspirations on Pinterest, where I get most of my inspirations, but I saw some inspirations on Pinterest and I was just like, oh my gosh, that's gonna look amazing. If just the mantle and the molding is black and then everything else is like a stone finish. Now I know that I wasn't going to do like a real stone veneer finish because I didn't know how it was going to look. So I like the idea of wallpapering because, and this is a peel and stick, because it's easy to put up, it's easy to take down, and change out if I change my mind. I didn't want to do something permanent because I know that I might change my mind after a while because my style changes. Everybody's style changes after a while. But I think that this is going to look fabulous when it's all said and done, and I'm excited to paint it black. Whew, as you can see, I'm kind of adding black touches in my home, you know, all over because it's the modern farmhouse look that I absolutely love. But everything is not going to be black, just like touches of black. So my idea is to do the stone wallpaper and then do everything else black, and then all the walls in the living room is going to be white. I'm also going to have like a wagon wheel chandelier hanging. So I'm really excited about it and I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and get started on finishing up the stone wallpapering and then painting the rest black.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh.
This peel and stick wallpaper, oh my gosh, y'all, it was giving me the business, okay? I just cutting around the angles and everything, it just was so difficult. I feel like there's an easier way to do this, but I'm just not privy to it yet. But it was a little bit hard with the angles, but eventually it became easier as you know the project went on. But I love the way that it looks, y'all, and I'm just getting all type of like excited because I can't wait to decorate it fully for like the summer and for fall and Christmas and winter. Oh my gosh, I am super excited. Can y'all tell how excited I am? I am so excited that I got all the angles and the edges and everything together. So super excited. I hope that you guys are excited as well.
I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
So first of all, I really just want to say thank you to all my oldies but goodies subscribers, my fams. Y'all know how much I really appreciate you guys. I mean, y'all are like so supportive, and coming over on this channel from All Things Shushana, I am just so grateful and so like I just appreciate y'all so much, and I feel like I always need to let you guys know that I do appreciate y'all, because sometimes you can ask for the support and you don't get the support. But when you do get the support, it's always good to acknowledge those that support you. And you guys are like my day ones. Y'all are always here for me, hyping me up, encouraging me, praying for me, loving on me and my family. And I am just truly, truly grateful to you guys. So I just want to thank y'all so much. You guys actually inspired me to do this because, y'all just really taught me how to really, step out on faith really and to do things that you never really done before. And this was like a huge undertaking for me to paint my fireplace black. It's been weeks. Nyla and I are dancing. It's been weeks, months of me really deciding and trying to really like come to grips with this whole black fireplace thing, and it just really turned out amazing. So I just want to thank you guys so much for your encouragement, for your love, and also for your continuous support over here on my new channel, still on All Things Shushana, and even on Instagram. I just love you guys so much. So thank you, and I appreciate you guys.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on.
And this is the way that it turned out, you guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. It looks better than what I expected. Oh my gosh, I love the wallpaper. It really does look like stone. I absolutely love it. I was thinking to actually wrap the entire fireplace even on the sides, but it looks great the way that it is, and I just love the way that it looks. So now I'm gonna get into the decorating portion. So if you have made it this far, thank you so much for sticking around and watching from beginning to end. I want you to enjoy this portion of the video. I love the way this gold mirror looks above the fireplace, but let me know, do you guys think that I should paint it black or should I leave it gold? I feel like the gold kind of stand out a little bit, but let me know, what do you guys think, if I should either paint it black or leave it gold?
It's almost like you make me fly, and when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you.
Like I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been.
You guys, this is it. This is the finished product of what this fireplace makeover looks like. All the time, or all the while that I've been dreaming up what the fireplace was going to look like, I had no idea that it was going to turn out this beautiful. I love everything about it. The wallpaper, the colors, the tones. I love how neutral it is still, but you can add pops of color to it. Y'all, I'm telling you, I can't wait for the fall and Christmas. Like, it's going to be on. It's going down for sure. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. Let me know down in the comment section. Talk to your girl. Let me know what you guys think, how you like it, if there's anything that you think I should change about it, though I'm not really going to, because it's what it is right now. I can't change it, but let me know if y'all think I should add some more black decor or paint the mirror black as well. But this is the way it looks, you guys. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about it. And I am so proud of myself for taking this leap, for actually stepping out of my comfort zone and doing something that was scary and that was not, of my usual way of doing things, I guess. I'm trying to find the words, but thank you guys so much for sticking with me and for watching. And yeah, remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care, guys. Bye.
Sitting with your back facing me. I know